dizzy right now. Let's see what fresh.
Good morning, guys. So, today I am with Mariana, my brother, and they are inside right now getting shiners. Because we are going, guess, where are we going? We're going ice fishing! Yay! Or we're going to try to at least. We'll see how well that works out. But I'm really upset because I lost my camera. My vlogging camera that Mariana got me. And I could have swore it was in Mariana's messy car. But it's not there. Because we cleaned out his car finally. But we're in my car right now. And I have no idea what this camera could be. No idea. And I'm so upset. So right now I am vlogging off of the iPad. And, yeah. So they're inside getting shiners. I think they're getting 24 shiners. But we'll see how that works out. I jumped into the driver's seat in case someone pulled up because we parked in front of a fire hydrant. And I know, that's a big no. But they're inside. So in order for me to prevent myself from getting another ticket, I hopped into the driver's seat. That was one reason the lady gave me on why I got the ticket, was because I wasn't physically sitting in the driver's seat. Even though my car was running, I just ran inside to get my coffee, and my car was warming up because it was like negative 10 degrees out. She still said, no, you need a ticket. What's that sign say? I'm like, no parking, don't give me a ticket, please. She's like, no, you get a ticket. So, whatever. But it's snowing, guys. It's snowing again. I feel like every time I vlog, it's snowing. So we're sitting in the car, waiting, wishing. Here, you guys want to see the snow? I'll show you the snow. You guys want to see the snow? I don't think you could see it. Because I'm on the iPad. If I wasn't on the iPad, you guys would be able to see the snow. Here, I'm going to look on the way. There you go. You see the snow? Snowing. So, we just got dill pickle ridges.
Oh my god.
And they smell exactly like dill pickles. Here, try.
Dude. So good. That is my new favorite chip. What are you doing? Do you not know how to get on your side of the road, you blah blah blah?
I want to try one.
Definitely interesting.
It is.
Dill
I'm turning
pickle.
off the heat before I die.
Whoa.
It's so hot.
That's weird.
It's so good.
It has a pickle aftertaste.
Delicious. Tastes just like pickles. Mariana found his new favorite chip. How's it taste, Mariana?
Delicious. I should have just got all these.
It's okay. I prefer my regular sour cream and onion. That's a lot better. But anyway, guys. It's snowing extremely bad. Not that bad. Okay, it is bad, but...
Stop hiding the chips.
I'm not hiding the chips.
One more?
Yeah. That's not my new favorite chip.
What?
He has the fish bucket, if I could see it.
If you can let me get my arm back.
Don't know why the water's blue. Dill pickle! We are here at the lake and we're testing the ice. To make sure we don't fall through, because right there looks like it's not frozen at all. That's the parkway. So Has to be 6 inches. We'll see.
Where is it?
That's Tyler. You don't even say hi, you just look at the camera.
Are those changeable?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Why?
Isn't that really going well?
Should have blown Not like yours was not any better.
Mine was pretty sharp.
I guess they're having problems digging into the ice or
Mine's a lot
something.
sharper.
But look how pretty! And it's snowing.
Alright, let's go. Come on, I'll put the pressure. Dude, I'm so dizzy.
Give it.
This is the only hole we're gonna be able to fish from.
We'll take turns.
Yeah, exactly. Oh, wow.
We gotta make 10.
I think it's better when we clear the snow out each time.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's cold.
Very. That's actually not that bad.
Oh, I'm sweating.
Guys, I don't know if you could see it, but there is a fox walking on the ice over here. Tyler, point to the fox. I don't think you could see it. Oh, there he is! Right there. Can you see him? Right there.
Alright, guys, let's keep digging this hole.
We found him.
He just trots across the ice. He's like I think he's taking a poop.
Yeah, he's kind of crap.
He's taking a poop. There he is, right there. That tiny dot. I wish I could zoom in. If I had my camera, I could zoom in. Here we go again. They're trying to dig a hole.
The struggle is real.
I got him, I got him.
This is dangerous. Be careful.
Wait, you gotta get the front or the side? Alright, spin me. Oh my god, I have no grip.
I was losing. I feel it.
Come on, we're almost there. Come on. We're almost
Why don't you just jump up and down on it?
Oh. Oh shit, you chipped some pieces of ice. Look at that.
You said it wasn't thick.
Oh, yo, look, here's the final crack I can see.
Yep.
Here, let me see the hole, guys. I want to show them. Here, I'll show you through his legs.
making progress. Open? What?
This one's going for a shiner, I can tell you that. Alright, let me get it clear.
I'll put pressure, you spin.
Why don't you just jump up and down on it?
This is good. Go ahead, making progress.
Come on! Damn it!
Where the fuck is the water?
Water!
Flash into my ass.
Water!
Alright, let's see where we're
We're
at.
tilting. Alright, give me.
Clear this up.
We're tilting.
An hour later. So I came back to the car. Because I was frozen. I couldn't move my thumb. That's how frozen I was. And they're out there, they're like, oh, it's so warm. No, it wasn't that bad. It was just our clothes being wet, and I don't have like a snowsuit on, so it was extra cold for me. But I came back to the car, then Mariano came not too much later to see what I was doing, and he's telling me he wanted to go. And Michael sends me a picture of a fish he caught, a crappie. As soon as we go to the car, he catches a fish. So we're about to go back out there because I want to see them catch fish. So that's the game plan. But I wasn't vlogging much after the first hole got dug, just because it's like literally snowing like crazy here, and I don't want the iPad being ruined. So I'm gonna ask Mariano if he could vlog from his iPhone, and we're gonna see how good that plays out. Look at my head. I look like I just woke up from a nap. Horrible. But we're gonna see how this plays out. Hopefully we get some keepers or something. Hopefully we catch something. Something is better than nothing. So I'll catch up with you guys in a little bit.